Okay. Dear learners, in this session we'll learn different profiles of investor on the basis of risk appetite. Learners, as we all know, there is a direct relationship between risk and return. High risk, high returns; low risk, low returns. Wealth manager assess the risk appetite of investor, and accordingly suggests he suggests different financial instruments. Now let's see different profiles. We have six different profiles. First, safety oriented investor, then conservative investor, third, moderate investor, fourth one, aggressive investor, fifth one, very aggressive investor, last but not least, specialized investor. Safety oriented investor try to protect his capital. He doesn't want capital appreciation. He wants regular income. So, wealth manager can advise such investors to invest in fixed deposits and saving account. Second type of investor profile is conservative investor. Such investors try to get regular income, and if possible they also want capital appreciation. So wealth manager can advise them to invest in postal savings, public provident fund, and property. Third, third category of investor is moderate investor. They want both regular income and capital appreciation. Such investors, as per the advice of wealth manager, can invest in equity shares, debentures, postal savings, and property. Fourth profile is aggressive investor. Such investor, with the help of wealth manager, can invest in equity shares, debentures, money market instruments, and property. Such investor invest more than 60% of their wealth in stock market. Very aggressive. Such investors, with the help of wealth manager, can invest in derivatives, commodities, and share market. Even they can invest in properties, because their main intention is to have a capital appreciation. So as per the savings, as per the wealth manager can advise them appropriate financial instruments. Last category, specialized investor. Again, more than 80% of their wealth they invest in stock market, especially derivative products. Even with the help of wealth manager, they can invest money in properties. Thank you.